Harry. Damn. Damn, bro.
But that's the shame.
Did we miss him or something? John is crazy. Give me 20 years and I'll ride like him. What's up? It's Rob. I'm out here with my friend John, aka Hammy Moto on YouTube. We're out here testing the Champ. What's your idea today? You're showing us the trails. What's your goal?
Yeah, dude. So I test electric motorcycles for a living. I've ridden tons of different stuff. Rob hit me up. He says, hey man, I got a new bike. I want to get some feedback. So it's not going to be a full-on review. They just want to know if this thing is good or not and what some things that could possibly change.
Goes through, have fun, come back in one piece, and get some feedbacks to keep making these bikes better for you. Let's hit it.
Fairly stable. Brakes are good, dude. Liking these brakes. Tossing this around. Yeah, this is very flickable. I actually like this thing. It's pretty good. Let's see how quickly we can get. It's up to 52. Into the fast left-hander. And into the soft stuff. As far as I know, the factory version of these bikes is going to come with this mullet tire setup, which I think is awesome. Brakes are strong as well. No fade, again, still prototype. Pegs, well, they are super small. Surprisingly, not too bad. Woo!
Dude, you're fast.
That's actually pretty good. That's pretty, like, for a prototype, I'm quite impressed. Rear shock's real soft. If you get a softer shock, that'll kind of open it up a little bit more, so it could be a little bit more stable. Things I like, mullet setup, dude. That's how you do it. Like, it makes such a big difference between rear end handling. Like, I can slide this thing, I feel the back kick out, and it's stable. You know, I'd say for an intermediate rider, this is plenty. It's pretty good. Like, genuinely, I like this thing. That was good. Oh, got a little squirrely there for a second. You could be super aggressive with this bike, I gotta say. You could be really aggressive with this thing.
John's also coming off a broken arm. There we go. Somebody's flying on the Suron. This is too much fun. What an awesome place to ride though, man. Ooh, take it easy coming down here. Rock. It's like we're on the moon out here.
Yeah, we come out here with like all these bikes that we get and we usually give it the test run around here. Anywhere in this trail, there's always something new, you know?
Hell yeah. Nice.
The fatter the tire is, the faster you're gonna go in this dirt, you know? If you're gonna advertise it as a dirt bike, you gotta have that fat back tire.
Yeah.
More traction. That's like the biggest problem, like I feel like we always run into. Like this one's fine, but we're way past the Suron, you know?
Yeah, like that's great. You can feel both the front and the back, just you know exactly what they're doing, but because of how skinny those tires are, once they break traction, it's gone.
Yeah.
Whereas with this, you can maintain and play slide. So it's like your frame and your setup is perfect for more power. Let's get some lap times between all you guys. We're running counterclockwise.
Okay.
Yeah, watch out for this though, because it falls away pretty quickly.
All right. So John proposed a lap time race between Julian and I. Julian, how long you been riding for?
Since I was 6.
Since he was 6. Great. We'll be fine though.
How about a head-to-head? I think that'd be more fun.
Head to head?
Head-to-head.
Same time? No, fuck that. You guys go ahead. I'm not trying to break a leg again.
All right, ready, set, go.
Oh shit. Yeah, he is dangerous coming around that thick shit.
Julian
Look at him go.
is more aggression. One of the most aggressive people I met. He'll just push something before he knows how to ride it.
Oh man. Let's see. We're doing this for lap time. He's got the air coming over.
All right, 23, 24. Oh, dude, that turn was out. All right, 29.
29 seconds.
29 seconds. Turn got me. You could probably beat me if you can get that turn right.
Yeah, I saw that turn.
All right, so our starting line will be that right here. Rob, I got 20 bucks on you, bro.
You got 20 bucks on me.
That's my last 20 bucks.
His last 20 bucks.
All my kids' college fund. So.
All right, let's have some fun.
3, 2, 1, go.
What was it?
Same time.
Same time, son of a bitch. Woo! That was a rush.
Man, how was that?
Oh my god, that felt good.
Pretty good?
3, 2, 1, go. Got spraying on the start. He didn't have warm-up laps like we did. Oh yeah, with the turn. Yeah, that turn, that's 2 seconds. Oh, full air. Yeah, that turn's tough. Woo! Yeah. We got the time. I'm not gonna tell him. Let's have a little suspense here.
What do you think you got?
I got bad news, man. I was 30, you're 38.
What?
26.5. Hell yeah. Yeah, baby. Is that wheelie? Oh, there's nothing like the smell of dirt. The sunset. Wow, look at this. Can't see shit. There we go. That was it. What an awesome ride. Oh my God, John, thank you for taking us out. That was amazing. And I honestly had no clue I was that slow on a bike until I saw him ride. What'd you think?
Yeah, good. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and like my body's telling me I need a Heineken. So, yeah, dude, that was lots of fun. Thanks for coming out. I mean, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Beaumont's a great place to ride. And one thing that I liked most about this bike that surprised me is how good the range was. Because I was pinning it a lot for the first half of the ride, and still after, I don't know how many miles we did, but after a pretty decent off-road riding, a pretty decent session, I got like 66%.
Hell yeah.
So that's pretty good, honestly, pretty good.
John knows his stuff when it comes to this shit. He gave us some good feedback on how to improve him, so thank you, man. That was awesome. And if you enjoyed it, leave a comment below. Let us know like what you think of the bikes. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out John Hammy Moto on YouTube, and same on Instagram, right? Hammy Moto on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next one.